But the place that I like, and there's several other places, but the place I like and I'm going to recommend is Upwork. Okay. Oh, did I? Oh, I'm on the eraser. That's why. Okay. Upwork. Okay. Upwork right here is a site where you can go and you can hire freelancers. This is exactly where our designer right now is an Upwork designer. Okay. He's $5. Our uploader, same thing. $4 an hour. It's all, we hire them all on Upwork. Okay. Upwork is a freelance site. You can go there. There's people that do everything on there. Okay. This is a designer. This is kind of fun, Lindsay. Didn't even get you, isn't it? Look at that. And then uploader. Do you think uploader is a good name for, I don't know what that task is. They
It's
upload the
very literal.
design. Yeah, it's very literal that. So we'll just call it an uploader. So you go to Upwork, and there's so many guys and gals, girls, that are great at doing these kind of tasks. And there's people that do programming, all that stuff. You can get a support person. We personally have hired someone they're not a full-time employee, they're a contractor. And we pay them, I think it's $12 an hour right here, but there's someone local that we've hired. They work from home. Okay. But you can find this on Upwork as well. And so you'll go on Upwork and you'll put out these jobs for Upwork for the designer, an uploader, and a support person if you want the support person. So what I would challenge you to do, for anyone watching this right now, for anyone that's listening to it on a podcast, is go and take action. Sign up for an Upwork account. And Lindy, in our description, let's put a link there so people can have an easy access to Upwork. You'll go to Upwork, you'll just put your information there, and then you can start looking for people and go hire someone. I'm telling you, it's going to change your life. And listen, if you're beginning, this sounds overwhelming, I get it, but trust me, learn from my mistakes. Start your business out the right way. Put a little investment in and make these right here part of your business now, so that you can enjoy the fruits later, and you can actually scale your business.